know most of you have actually seen cats sleeping, but did you ever hear them snore? Wait, listen, wait. Just listen. If you heard that small like that means that she was snoring, okay? So now you know how cats